Insta360 has just unleashed their GoPro-esque action camera, and the burning question on everyone's mind is, how does it stack up against the reigning king, the GoPro Hero 12 Black? It's time to see if the new kit on the block can dethrone the action camera titan. Anyways, let's jump straight into it. Design. First things first, size and weight. The Ace Pro throws in a twist, being a tad thicker and noticeably heavier. Why, you may ask? Well, blame it on the flip screen at the back, adding some bulk but promising a visual treat. It's a trade-off, a beefier device for that sweet screen action. Now buttons and batteries, a lifeblood of any action camera. Both contenders rock a mode, power button on the side, a record button on top, and the essential removable batteries. They play nice with USB-C for charging and data transfer, plus a micro SD card slot for your adventure archives. Let's talk about front displays. GoPro flexes its front screen as a preview monitor for those epic self-shooting moments. Insta360 takes a different route with a monochrome LCD showcasing your settings. The Ace Pro goes all in with a flip-up screen, doubling as a touchscreen. But here's the plot twist. While it's great for self-filming and low-angle shots, the GoPro's front screen steals the show for tight spots and framing wizardry. Durability, the unsung hero. Ace Pro's flip-up screen dances with the danger of moving parts, though it feels robust. GoPro, on the other hand, flaunts one-piece construction, a fortress of durability. And don't forget the lens protector saga. GoPro's easily replaceable, while the Insta360's is more like a glued-in guardian. Mounting, where the action gets real. Insta360 throws a magnetic quick-release party, a swift switcheroo between mounts. It's sturdy, but GoPro's OG mounting tabs take the crown for overall durability. However, Hero 12 Black pulls a wild card, a quarter-20 tripod thread, a flex move unmatched by Ace Pro unless you dive into Insta360's optional quick-release mount world. App and features. First off, the dimensions game. Picture this. Both cameras share the same adrenaline-fueled DNA, but the Ace Pro decides to add a twist. It's a tad beefier, a touch heavier. Blame it on the backflip screen. Yes, it brings some extra bulk to the party, but in return, you get a visual spectacle. A trade-off, if you will, between a sleek profile and the allure of that sweet screen action. Now let's dive into the lifeblood of these action beasts, buttons and batteries. On the side, a mode/power button stands tall, complemented by a top-tier record button. Removable batteries ensure your adventures never go dark, playing nice with USB-C for charging and data transfers. And of course, there's a cozy micro SD card slot for storing the tales of your exploits. Front displays where the real magic happens. GoPro boasts a front screen, a sneak peek for those self-shooting masterpieces. Insta360, though, takes a detour with a monochrome LCD showcasing your settings. The Ace Pro, however, goes full throttle with a flip-up screen that moonlights as a touchscreen. Here's the twist. Perfect for self-filming and low-angle shots, but GoPro's front screen steals the spotlight for tight spots and framing wizardry. Now the unsung hero, durability. Ace Pro's flip-up screen dances on the edge of danger, embracing moving parts with a robust feel. In the red corner, GoPro stands tall with one-piece construction, a fortress of durability. And the lens protector saga, GoPro's a hero, easily replaceable, while Insta360's is more like a glued-in guardian. Let's talk mounting, where the real action unfolds. Insta360 throws a magnetic quick-release extravaganza, a swift dance between mounts. Sturdy, no doubt, but GoPro's OG mounting tabs steal the show for overall durability. Hold on, though. Hero 12 Black has a wild card, a quarter-20 tripod thread, a flex move unmatched by Ace Pro unless you dive into the Insta360 optional quick-release mount realm. Image quality. Let's break down the imaging prowess of the GoPro Hero 12 Black and the Insta360 Ace Pro. It's a pixel-packed journey through sensors, lenses, and visual magic. First, the sensors. GoPro goes unique with a 1/1.9-inch sensor and an 8:7 ratio, ideal for vertical videos and hyperview lens magic. However, it struggles in low light. The Ace Pro opts for a 1/1.3-inch sensor and a classic 4:3 format, excelling in bright and dark conditions. Nighttime footage, no competition. In daylight, it's a close match. Both capture pleasing images, with Hero 12 Black slightly edging ahead in skin tones and white balance. Now, cinematic capabilities. Both rock 4K at 120 FPS and 240 FPS in 1080p action scenes come alive with superb stabilization. Ace Pro surprises with 8K recording, but GoPro leads with 5.3K at 60 FPS. Lens tail. GoPro's hyperview steals the show for wide-angle brilliance. Ace Pro's action view is commendable, but can't match in vertical width. Insta360 wins with distortion-free footage in linear mode. Audio, the unsung hero. Both excel, but GoPro suppresses wind noise better, a vital detail in the action world. GoPro's Pro features give it an edge with 10-bit color and log profile. In the visual showdown, both bring their A game. Whether it's Hero 12 Black's finesse or Ace Pro's innovations, these cameras are set to capture your visual adventures. And that's a wrap for today's tech showdown. Insta360 Ace Pro and GoPro Hero 12 Black, two stellar action cameras that make the choice tough. Rugged, waterproof, exceptional video quality, all in a compact size. If your scenes often shift to the night or indoors, Insta360 Ace Pro is the clear winner. A low-light champion with added convenience, quick-release mount, user-friendly flip-up screen, and a seamless app. But in the daylight spotlight, GoPro Hero 12 Black steals the show. Unmatched image quality, superior audio, pro features, and a slightly lighter price tag, a winner for many. So which hero suits your style? Ace Pro for conquering the night or Hero 12 Black for daylight glory? The decision is yours, tech enthusiasts. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.